Welcome, this is G with All Astrology, and I actually just got a message just a few minutes ago from a person who I have actually done some seeing work with, astrology work, and I thought I would take this opportunity to pull up their current energetic situation. This individual had a lot going on with work and income, and yes, Zoe, and so right now I'm gonna take this opportunity to talk about that and explain to you specifically and your birth date. I'm sorry, let me go backwards a little bit and right? Okay, so we are talking about September 8th, 1960, 8:54 p.m. birth date and time. September 8th, 1960, 8:54 p.m. This is an exciting time. There is a lot going on in ways of work and home. Now, there is a gigantic buildup of energy, a concentration of activity, a flurry of activity, so to speak, within the realm of thinking and communications and homey type things. Back in the day when we used to go to school, it was like economics, or you take, I don't know what they call the courses now, but anyhow, so it's going to be a lot of home crafty type things. This would involve as well, this can be totally involve food, right? We eat in the house, we bake in the house, we cook in the house. And I'm only mentioning this because I know this individual has been kind of focusing on that, taking creativity to a level that involves food, which actually makes a whole lot of sense, because there's food and earthy things, and the sign of Taurus are very much so being lit up right now in this person's chart, and will be in all of our charts for the next 6.5 years. So right now that makes sense, and it works, and it's going to work because this person you're going to be good at this. Now, here's the other thing. Here's the exciting part. So I realized when I got the message, I'm like, I'm just going to take a gander. I was in the middle of, I'm going to, do something else, another chart, but I thought I'm going to take the opportunity to make a video on this one and try to keep it short though. So what I wanted to share is this exciting thing, which is hold on. Did I already say this is G All Astrology? Yeah, where we do free readings all the time. All you got to do is subscribe. Go down below if you're new here. Hit subscribe. You see that little curvy arrow, the share button. Share this awesome channel where people get free readings. That's all we ask. Tune in. Subscribe. Tap the bell to get our alerts, and you get free readings, right? I'm going to keep them short, and at any time you want, you can get an extension on your reading, which is super reasonable, a lot cheaper than for what you might think. You just hit us up down below, our email's down there, and we go from there. Hold on, I got a cat, and she's totally rubbing her cheeks on everything. Okay, Zoe, come on over here, baby. Okay, so getting to the exciting part. Now, what's going on in your life? Like I said, a whole lot of energy, a whole lot of creative energy going on for everybody, but in particular for you, it's going to be about short journeys, out and about, whether it's neighbors, community, communication, marketing, whatever it is you do. You're going to have help because there's so much energy, so much concentrated flow in this area right now. And you're going to feel this flow of, oh my God, I kind of like doing this. I kind of like connecting with people and talking about what I do. You're going to find an ease is going to come, and you're going to find you're going to be making a little bit more money in that way as well. I see you've got some help coming along that's going to give you this wonderful burst for the summer. Like if you're hitting markets and stuff, great burst for that. Now, you're also going to get an amped up shot, an injection of creativity. We all are, because Mars is hitting Leo. Fire. You're going to get, whoosh, right, the rocket's coming. Now, the cool part that I didn't even tap into yet is what's going on, not in the home, but in the opposite of home, which is our professional world and work. Like I said, saw your text and I thought, dang, I got to look into this. You have a very sweet occurrence happening. This is like no coincidence. You had explained some other things that were occurring where it seems like shit was just clicking, and it is. It totally is. Saturn is trining your sun right now. This is a big deal. And your sun is in the 6th house. I'm going to stop talking astrologically. What I'm going to tell you straightforward, because I only got a few more minutes here, a few more nuggets. If you want to dip digger, yeah, dip digger. If you want to dig deeper, you know where I'm at. You know how to get in touch with me. Go down below. So you're being recognized and acknowledged for who you are, professionally and in the home. This is what's going on. Saturn brings gifts. And if you've worked, if you've done the work, if you've focused, and if you have been diligent, doesn't mean you have to work yourself like a dog, but be diligent. Saturn is all about not rushing through things, but about just taking the proper steps, doing the little things we need to do, dotting the I's, crossing the T's, and taking no shortcuts, and doing things by the book. That's Saturn. And if you've been doing that, you're going to succeed professionally. And it looks, from what I'm looking at, you can succeed professionally in the home. If you've got the home business thing on your mind, you're going to succeed professionally in the world, on the world level. Because you have this, like I said, you have this sweet alignment, which is Saturn's right now up there looking down on you and blessing you, showering you with gifts. And it's in matters of work. Okay, it's in matters of health as well. You might have noticed there might have been like an abrupt type of thing, but Saturn, because of the way it's lined up in this chart, it's going to bring you abundance of gifts and prosperity, but not in the ways of, oh damn, I hit the jackpot, because Saturn it's tangible, right? So tangible can be definitely money. But it's not like tangible in the sense of, holy crap, she won the lottery. No, it's through work. It's through work, right? It demands work and it rewards work. Okay, it's not an empty promise. Saturn is not. It is not an empty promise. It says if you do the work, you're gonna reap the benefits. It's this, it's like what the gardener does. Which, by the way, big emphasis on that here too. Because you've got lots of focus, of energy, of planets, as we call right there. And so you've got an abundance happening there. And you are going to, I don't know how else to say it. There's just a sweet lineup for you. And I want you to focus on just being diligent. And if you have opportunities coming along, because that's what I'm seeing, when you have this star being highlighted, the cat's demanding my attention. When you have the star being highlighted in your midheavens, like I'm looking at right now, it means that you are shining. You're shining. People, you're shining. So you're going to, whatever endeavor you choose to do right now, I would take it. And I also have to make a quick mention, because I'm coming up on my TikTok time here. My time is beating down, ticking, dwindling. I had mentioned also before the Juno aspect, which is like our synastry with another individual and our love. I'm trying to keep, the cats are really getting crazy over here. What I want you to do is pay attention. Being creative is important, and this Juno element, which is our other partner, our dedicated, our partner who wants to partner up with us for a lifetime, who's willing to make a deep commitment to us, it's not far off. I had no idea. I'm glad we had a little discussion. It's not far off. So at this point, I'm going to end this reading because this is just how it's got to roll. It's what I'm being forced to do right now. We're at 9 minutes and I got to start, keeping my timer, keeping myself on track. So do me a favor, and if you have opportunities, seek them out. Don't close doors. Face them. And have a talk and see exactly what it entails. Look, open the books, right? Open and talk to people, communicate with people. You're going to have a lot of support in being able to communicate and to be just clear and practical. And you're going to be recognized and acknowledged for that, and for your I'm sorry, this cat thinks I have food or something. She's doing some crazy things. Anyway, so I want you to really focus on being able to just present who you are for who you are, because you are good enough. You are more than good enough, and you're being recognized and acknowledged for it right now. You are. And it's in areas of work with coworkers and with those in authority, meaning people who would be hiring, people who are the bosses. You've got, so to speak, a bonus in your pocket that's saying, hey, I'm going to help you out in this endeavor. And so those that you meet and come into contact with, they're going to be like, hell yeah, I want you. Hell yeah, let's do this. So again, this was specifically talking about in a professional way, okay? As far as the other synastry and the Juno aspect, there is something sweet coming. And yeah, it's going to feel effortless. It's going to just work. Let me know if you want me to go deeper into that, and we'll go from there. So as usual, this is G with All Astrology. Subscribe, like, comment. If you liked what you heard here today, please leave a comment down below. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to us. And it helps other viewers to find out, is this shit or is it legit? All right? Till next time, I'll be back soon. Bye.